Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today we enter day 5 of our beginning drawing series, and we're going to start continually to put into practice some of the volumes that we have learned into real life scenarios. So today we're going to draw a flower arrangement in a basket with sunflowers. Okay, let's get to drawing. The first thing we're going to do is to draw a vertical line. This will become the basis for our basket. And we're going to use that vertical line as our minor axis. And we're going to draw an oval. If you are not familiar with these terms, there's a link right above us, right above the video here, that you can learn about drawing ovals and minor axes. Okay, on the sides you want to concave those in, and then the bottom of our basket you're going to want to draw another oval, and this one is much more wider than the one at the top because it's further below our eye line. Find the center in the center line, and then find the center on the sides. Use those as guides so we can draw our middle ring. Now I'm going to add some of the sides, the slats of wood that make the basket, and some openings. And you can see I'm drawing lightly and loosely. It's really important that you always try and draw lightly at the very beginning. There's the rim for the top of the basket. And the bottom. Again, following the bottom oval. Just keep it loose. Okay, let's get some flowers in here. And we're going to draw ovals to represent the face of these flowers. So there are a number of sunflowers here. So let's draw one center. Draw one a little foreshortened over here. Size and variation, it's important. Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this. Okay, let's bring in a large twig, or this piece of flowering shape up here. Just trying to get a variety of shapes in here of possible things. These are just guidelines. Remember, I didn't say volumes, I said shapes. Just keeping it fresh. I'm going to show at the end of this video the final drawing that you can compare to, and a colorized version as well. Working on some of the centers here, and now some petals now that I have my guides up. That's pretty much it. Everything else is going to be more decoration than structure. So we want to get in structure first, and that guides us as we add a detail. So here's the final color drawing in the bottom left. In the top left is a speed drawing. I'm going to just show you how fast we'll just finish things out so you can get an idea what the line drawing looks like. And once I have this in here, you feel free to pause the video so you can actually see what the actual drawing looks like. But I'm simply going in and darkening my lines. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that and gave you a little some ideas of drawing a flower arrangement in a basket. Remember, success in drawing doesn't rely on what you produce. Success in drawing comes from the steady practice of drawing every day.